Hello students, hope you all are safe and fine. Yes, did you complete your notes? Today last days we discussed about Indian place value chart. Okay, we know if you are given a 9-digit numbers, you know how to write in words using Indian place value system. Okay, in that ones, thousands, lakhs and crores are the periods. Then ones period divided into 3, ones, tens and hundred, thousand period, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, lakhs, 10 lakhs, then crores, crores and 10 crores. Okay. So 9 places are there. So 4 periods are there, and also we want to separate with the comma. These periods we want to separate with the commas. Okay. Now now next question is to write in figures. That means do you want to write the numbers? Okay, write in figures. In that first question, 7 crore 5 lakh 7 crore 5 lakh 47,000 47,505 505. Okay, we want to write this in numbers. Okay, see this 7 crore, 7 crore 5 lakh, 47,505. See this period, see 7 crore, then comes what? Lakhs, then comes thousand, then 505. So you want to write in numbers. Now see this 7 crore, see 7 crore, okay, 7 crore, then 5 lakh, see here for 10 lakh that place is not there, so we want to write the word 0, then it is given that word 5 lakh, okay, 5 lakh, so 7 crore 5 lakh, 10 lakh place is absent there. So we want to write their word 0. 5 lakh, then 47,000. Okay, that means 47 means here 47,000. That comes under where? 1000. Please, 47,505. That comes under 1 spirit. See, 505. So we get the number, is it? So see, this is our number. See, 7054705. Okay. So I told that we want to separate with the commas. That means 1 spirit. 505 comes under where? 1 spirit. So we want to separate with comma. Then 1000 period, in 1000 period 47,000. Again put 1 comma. That means 2 digit each we want to put the comma. First 3 digit, then 2 digit each. 47,000. Then 5 lakhs. Okay, 5 lakh. Then comes 7 crore. Okay, so 7 crore 5 lakhs 47,505. Okay, students? Yes. Next, 3 crore 3 crore 15 lakh 3 crore 15 lakh 72,000 72,000 58 58. Okay. So now we want to write this number in figures. This in figures. Okay. Now see this. 3 crore. First you understand what all periods are there. See this 3 crore. Then comes lakh. Then 72,000. Okay. So see this 3 crore. So where I want to write this? Yes, here 3 crore. Okay. Then in lakh 15 lakh. Okay. 15 lakh. See 15. Okay. 15 lakh. Then 72,000. 72 comes under where? In thousand place. So 72. Okay. 72,058. Okay. That means 58. 100 place is not there. If 100 place is there, if suppose 6, then 658. But here only what? 58. That means 100 place is not there. So we want to mark there 0. Okay. 0, 58. Okay. 0, 58. Okay. Now we get this number. Okay. So 3 crore. See this 3 crore. Then 15 lakh. 15 lakh. Okay. Next comes 72,000. See 72,058. Okay. Here 100 place is absent there. So we want to mark there 0. Okay. So we can write the number. That means 3. Then 1, 5, 15. Then 72. Then 0, 5, 8. 0, 5, 8. So you see this? We want to insert comma, no? Yes. So where we want to insert? 1 spirit, 850, is it? So insert comma for 1 spirit, then between this ones and 1000. Then 1000 period, 72,000. So again I want to mark 1 comma, is it? Next 15 lakh. See 15 lakh. Then comes 3. So 3 crore, 15 lakhs, 72,058. Okay. If here 100 place is not there. So 58. We want to write here 0. Okay students? Yes. Now next. ₹56 crore, 55 lakh, 55 lakh, 56 crore, 55 lakh, 54,000, 54,000, 54,532, 532. Okay. So now here again we want to mark the period. See crore, then comes what? Lakh, then comes thousand. Okay. So first 56 crore. Okay. 56 crore, then 55 lakh. Okay. 55 lakh, because crore and lakhs period should be separated with comma. So 56 crore, 55 lakh, then comes what? 54,000. Okay. 54,000, then 532. Okay. 532. Okay, students? Yes. Now, without this place value chart itself, you want to write using commas. Okay. So, 50 crore, you want to understand what all places are there. After that, insert comma, then it will feel easy to you. Okay, students? Yes. Thank you.